today's video, I'm going to unbox and assemble this bucket and mop Wringer trolley, which I bought in May of 2025 for $70 plus tax Canadian at Princess Auto. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this for my own use. And the contents of the box are the bucket itself, the Wringer bucket. I cut the tie wraps off here. And we got Wringer handle, our 4 casters or wheels, and what they refer to in our instructions as 4 bumpers. Step 1 is we're going to take the bumper and insert it over the stem on our casters, and then push that into the bottom of the bucket. Takes a fair amount of force. The casters on this end of the bucket were really difficult to get on. You see the bumper here on this side is nice and snug. Over here it's loose. Well, it's loose there because I wasn't able to push the wheels down all the way, even as they are. What I did was I took a flathead screwdriver and went through here, and you know, pushing that down, that won't go down any farther, and it's only plastic, so I don't want to break it. Next step is to install the Wringer basket. I did not read my instructions ahead of time. It said leave the cable ties on there, which I did not do. So I may have to, we're going to put the Wringer basket into these grooves. So I'm just going to, I'll probably have to move this over like that, like when we had the cable ties on it, and insert it, the Wringer basket, into those grooves, and it goes down like that. And now the next step would be to cut the cable ties and operate it to make sure it's functioning properly, which it is. And then we insert our handle. So I'm going to give you a better view here. To see this groove here? That's going to fit on our handle. Pull up like that. Press it over here. Push up. And that is assembled. So I'm getting ready to do some highly technical cleaning. There's my rinsing mop. And just to show you the operation here. Anyway, that's the video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.